Hello guys, today I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to create a PayPal account. Now, to create a PayPal account, all you need to do is log on to www.paypal.com. Then, this is PayPal website. Click on sign up for free. Then, after clicking on sign up for free, this is what is going to show you. Just input your email address. Then your mobile number. Your first name. Then you create a password. So now, in order to click on that, just click on next. Then a message will be sent for security purpose to your. Then the moment you input the code, the next thing now is you are going to input your details here, your address, so the moment you input those details, you are in what next? Send payments and shop with ease with your new account. So you can decide to use to try you are going to click on try it now rather. Then it's going to ask you to put your card details here. I'm inputting my card details now. So the moment you input your card details, it's going to try to deduct around $1 from your um from your card. Make sure you have up to 500 naira and above in your bank account which that card belongs to. Then from there you'll be able to make use of PayPal. So the moment your card has been linked successfully, you can see this card has been linked successfully. It has been linked successfully. So now if I want to use this particular card for payments, I want to use it for payment, what I will just need to do is input my card, my email address which I used to sign up for PayPal as my payment system on Facebook. Now, the PayPal has already debited me of 406 naira. So that's what I told you about. It now depends on how much dollar worth in the market now. So now this is how easy it is to use PayPal or to create PayPal account. So the next video I'm going to be creating is how to input PayPal as your payment method on Facebook. So watch out for my next video.